Every morning the alarm rang at exactly 6 a.m. Every morning he silenced it not because he was exhausted or unwell, but because 5 more minutes felt harmless. Those 5 minutes slowly turned into 10, then 30, and before he realized it, the day had already begun without him. He always comforted himself with the same promise: tomorrow I'll fix it. Tomorrow felt safe, close, guaranteed. As the years passed, he became known as someone with great potential. He was smart enough, talented enough, yet always late, always unfinished, always just one step behind. Assignments were submitted a day late, goals were written but never acted upon, and opportunities knocked only to leave quietly. No one warned him loudly because, from the outside, his life looked fine: a decent job, a small apartment, a normal routine, but inside, something felt missing. Every night he promised himself a fresh start, and every morning he broke that promise gently, comfortably. While others built discipline through small, consistent actions, he built excuses. While others pushed forward even on difficult days, he chose comfort. And comfort, though peaceful on the surface, slowly suffocated ambition. One day he found himself sitting across from a younger colleague, someone with the same background and education, yet living a very different life. The younger man spoke about routines, habits, and showing up even when motivation was absent. He listened silently, not with jealousy, but with fear. For the first time he saw the truth clearly. The difference was never talent, luck, or intelligence. It was discipline, practiced quietly every single day. That night, he set the alarm again for 6 a.m. When it rang, his hand moved automatically and silenced it. Just 5 minutes, but this time those minutes felt heavy. They carried the weight of years' missed chances, unrealized dreams, and wasted potential. Sitting on the edge of the bed, he finally understood that life doesn't fall apart all at once. It erodes slowly through the small habits we ignore. Success is not built by one massive decision, and failure doesn't happen overnight either. Both grow from tiny daily choices. And the most dangerous habit of all is believing that small things don't matter because one day, you wake up late and realize that life has already moved on without you.